gone there for some work. Like shitting in buckets, dog. Like shitting in buckets in Dubai. I feel like that would be a good title of a doc. Shitting in buckets in Dubai.
What up, fam? Just arrived at Uluwatu, Bali last night. I already love it. I'm out in the rural countryside. It's really green, less traffic, less noise, less pollution. And I think that's why I didn't like Canggu too much. A lot of foreigners there that kind of just live in their own bubble, but wasn't my scene. You go to Canggu to do one of two things, to party or to surf. And I'm really happy to be in Uluwatu right now. Look, just banana leaves, coconut trees everywhere. I'm staying at the Green Bowl Surfers House. Got a chance to meet the other tourists there, people from all over the world. One guy from San Diego, two girls from the Netherlands, one dude from Morocco, and another guy from Cologne, Germany. So very international. Got to shoot some pool, enjoy some food. So far, Uluwatu is definitely my scene. Popping in for lunch. It is so hot out there. You know, I lived in Perth where it would hit 37, 38 degrees, but 20% humidity. It must be like maybe 31 degrees outside with 100% humidity. It is bacon, man. So anyways, I just popped into this place that got 4.9 out of 5 stars called Dapur Sono, and ordered myself a nasi timbel. Never had that before, but I just saw in the picture. It's rice wrapped in banana leaves, served with fried chicken and some other goodies. And they serve this thing for dessert. It's chocolate bread with cheese and a mineral water, all for the low price of like $6. When you first arrive, you're just overwhelmed by your purchasing power. But that quickly wears off because then you just end up spending more money. Like I haven't cooked a single meal for myself in almost 2 weeks. I've just been eating out every time because if you could get a delicious meal for as low as $1, then you're gonna do it. And if you can order food on Grab and have it delivered to you for $3 to $4, you're gonna do that as well. And you'll just end up spending more money. The main thing that I spent money on was my ultimate souvenir of this trip. I got a tattoo yesterday at this place called Sacred Ornaments. They specialize in mandala, fine line, kind of sacred tattoos, which is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted to get a lotus flower tattooed on my tricep, where I would have paid at least $1,000 in New Zealand for this tattoo. It only cost $350, and my biggest expense so far, and the souvenir that I'll take with me to my grave. My tattoo artist was this guy named Indra. We had a little consultation. I said, make me a lotus flower, but don't make it look too girly. And the following day, he had come up with this great design. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you could see it. Focus here. Got the second skin on. Look at that detail. A bit of pointillist shading going on, some gradients. This would be like the stem, representative of the long, winding road to self-realization, to enlightenment. After 4 days, I'm gonna take the second skin off, and yeah, that'll be that. Because in 4 days, I'll be flying out of Bali. 2 event-filled weeks here in Bali, Indonesia. Nasi lemper?
Yes, nasi timbel.
Thank you. And then we got some of that homemade sambal sauce. You know, if rice is wrapped in banana leaves, you're in for a real treat. There's nothing that's wrapped in banana leaves that doesn't taste good. You could wrap dog shit in banana leaves and it'll somehow improve the flavor. Oh, and we got the dessert coming in. Yeah. Wow. That looks so good. Thank you. That is the homemade bread with cheese and chocolate. This is why I can't live in Bali, man. The food, oh my God, the food. So we got some tempeh, some tofu, fried chicken. This isn't actually pork crackling, this is salted fish right here. Oh, you could smell it, that's strong. Oh, that's so salty. Oh, smells mad salty. Nice fried chicken. Put a bit of that chili sauce on there. I'm just gonna use this in like extreme moderation. Not spicy. Not just like pure chilies. Ooh, put that on my tongue. Okay. I think that was all seeds.
Oh my god. And some cucumber. I'm a pussy when it comes to hot sauce. No joke. Woo! Spicy. Not spicy. Here's the honest review. Chicken's a bit dry. I mean, it's chicken breast, and I do like chicken breast, but if I'm gonna have chicken breast, usually I'd have to have some dipping sauce, so like lemon juice or soy sauce, ketchup. Fortunately, the only dipping sauce I have are these spicy ass chilies. So I think I'm just gonna have to just tough it out. I'm not gonna eat the chilies. Well, maybe just a little dab. Famous last words. It's easier to be a vegetarian here than the Philippines. The other day, my scooter driver recommended this Indonesian dish called gado-gado. It's tempeh, tofu, carrots, cabbage, beans, a whole bunch of vegetables, boiled egg, and then just delicious, beautiful, that peanut sauce, that satay sauce, just covering the whole thing. So if you haven't been getting your vegetables in Indonesia, order the gado-gado. Oh, look at that. I think this is like homemade tempeh. It's got like a nice brown exterior to it. Oh, that's lovely. Probably the best tempeh I've ever had. Usually it's like store-bought, manufactured, but this is really good. Definitely on the salty side, so you're gonna need this rice. My mouth is still on fire. That was an angry honk. The language of honk. Short bursts indicate a politeness, sort of just saying I'm here. Long honks, they're pissed. I am full. All right, on to dessert. Here we go. House-made bread with chocolate and cheese. Holy Jesus, I've never seen anything quite like this. Oh, okay. So it's just literally bread, chocolate, and cheese. There we go. Oh my God. Yeah, they buttered the bread. And that is sinfully good. Oh, that's good bread too. It's actually kind of flaky. I don't know if you could see it on camera. A little bit salty, which kind of balances out the sweet. This is so good. I think I enjoy this way more than the main meal. This is an understatement, man. This is not just bread. I was trying to figure out what it reminds me of. It's kind of like when you pull apart a croissant. The croissant is crispy on the outside. This doesn't have that, but the inside has that kind of like chewy, soft. It still has that same buttery quality as well. Oh my gosh. With the grated cheese and the chocolate sprinkles, I'm so full. This is why I can't do these food vlogs. I eat one dish, I take 2 bites and I'm full. But look, I barely touched this thing and I'm stuffed. Thank you, that was really good. I'm so full, I'm stuffed. Oh, but I'm good to go. Hey, just Tim Trudeau's here. All right, we're ready to roll out. Say hi to Ling. Hello, hello Ling.
Hi.
Hi, are you good?
I'm good, yeah. Getting there.
Holy Jesus.